Next.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today it's gonna be a very short video. So because the thunderstorm is approaching, and then we won't have enough time to be slow. So we have to be very fast. Wah. Anyway, before I even get to the main reason why we are doing this video, I just want to make a shout out to one of my friends, like you people, for making this video to be possible. He's the one who organized this thing. So we're going to open this package and see what's inside. So let's go and open together. The power cable for plugging onto the battery terminals. I guess by seeing this you might have guessed what's inside the box. So here we have the power cable for plugging onto the electricity, and then you have to bear with me, there'll be some background noise. There are kids playing around making noise, so hopefully I'll be able to filter them out by the time I'll be editing the video. But nevertheless, let's continue with the video. So here is the main man. Let me put the box down, and then here we have a couple of O-rings for servicing the gun. Did I say the gun? No, the compressor. Servicing the compressor. Then this was inside the box, the compressor for filling air guns, because as you might have seen in my last video, I bought the FX Impact Mark IV, and then I do have a scuba tank, but it's not that much effective. It doesn't last long because of that 580cc cylinder. So I decided to go for a compressor. And then this one is not water cooled, it's air cooled. And then the good part about this thing is that you can take it anywhere you go, because you can plug it to the battery terminals of the car. You can also plug it to the to the electricity. So yeah, it's a good one. And then so I guess the only thing which is left is to test this bad boy and see how it's gonna function. So as you can see here, it's a gauge, and then you can turn and set the gauge to the bar that you want to fill your gun or whatsoever to. And then beside that we have the bleed valve, and then this side, let me see, this side is for attaching this cable, and then somewhere there is the port for the power supply, and then here's the on and off button. Somewhere here I think is the best disc, just in case. So without any waste of time, let's quickly plug it. And then I have my Artemis M22 next to me, so we're gonna use it as our guinea gun. So let's quickly go and do it. The power cable. Nothing. Let me go and plug it. Okay. There you go. So there you have it, guys. I managed to fill the gun to 250. Unfortunately, the rain started and then disturbed the filling process. I had to move from where I was seated to this position, and then it's now late. And then I think that's it. The machine is working, so everything is okay. And then the next video will be an update on the FX Impact Mark 4. Yeah. So just wait and stick around. The video will be coming very soon to update you what's going on with the FX and then how functionalities and many other things. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm out of here. Bye bye.